To loosen this belt, you'll see I'll push down to the right clockwise. It takes tension off the belt. You let go, the tension comes back. See that? So now in order to remove the tensioner, there's two T50 bolts that have to come out. It's this one right here, you see that? And then this one up here, that one right there. You just take those two out, and then you can take out the whole assembly. That'll be this shock right here, and then there's the lever, and this pulley will come out together. All right, so here's the whole tensioner out of the car. As you can see, there's shock here, there's this lever, and then here's the pulley. Now, if you want to just replace the shock, you see you have to remove this bolt on the back. So you can't actually do it in the car. You have to take this whole thing out of the car, take this bolt out, so you can replace this. Mine seems to be working fine. There is an updated part for this lever. I guess from what I read online, this bolt was breaking off. This gets seized up here, and then this bolt here can break. So I might just replace it just because I have everything out of the car already. But yeah, that's it. All right, so looking at this a little bit closer, looks like I already have the updated part. You'll see this OPB 903308. That's the new updated part number as of 2025. So great news, I don't need to change this. This shock seems to be working fine. I'll probably just go ahead and change this pulley just because it is a wear item. They do go bad. They're pretty cheap. They're $10 or $15. But yeah, this is not cheap. This one here is around $300 when I looked online just now. But I was pleasantly surprised that this car already has the new updated part. So I don't need to change that. And you can tell this here is actually, this thing moves. And the old ones are fixed. This thing moves here. So that's another way to tell. The original part starts with 9A1, but somebody, probably a previous owner, changed this. So pleasant surprise. So I decided to replace this strut as well. Even though it's working fine, pretty cheap. This new one is around $30. And I've already done all the work anyway, might as well. Actually, there's a date code that you could see on here. This one is from 2018, and then this new one was made in 2024. So interestingly, this was pretty tight. It was hard to get this off. I actually had to put this back on the car in order to get it off. There's the new tensioner installed on the car. Just have to put the dust cap on the pulley and we're good to go.